Hey everyone, Rebecca Gillespie here from Artbuckle & Co. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to discuss our Lakewood Hills project that we just wrapped up. So today we're going to talk about the design process, and essentially that's broken down into three things. We've got our challenge, the approach, and the result. So first, let's talk about the challenge. With this client, she came to us. She had moved into the house in 2021 and she never felt like the house was truly hers. She always felt like it belonged to someone else and it never spoke to her design aesthetic. She had very heavy wood finishes, Renaissance style chandeliers, a giant bathtub that just didn't fit into her lifestyle. So she had asked us to essentially come in, make it light and bright, sophisticated, and modernize it. So let's take this first picture for example. In their kitchen, they had very heavy, dark cabinetry. It wasn't to the client's aesthetic, so we wanted to make sure we brightened the space. She had specifically asked for white cabinetry, but we wanted to find a way to make it feel a little bit more custom and a little bit more specialized. So we brought in Tyler McGinnis from MC Cabinet Code. He did an incredible job. You can see he used riffs on white oak. We did a glass and metal custom door that had an integrated handle, and how it truly came out with the LED lighting is absolutely stunning. In the back of the house, you'll see that they had some older windows in keeping to the age of the house, built in 2013, and we wanted to find a way to update it, not only from a design perspective, but the client also wanted to bring the outdoors in. So we partnered with Big Horn Iron Doors based out of Garland, and they did an incredible job of speccing it, getting them custom made and installed. Okay, so moving on to the primary bathroom. We had a custom shower base built by a Canadian company that was imported. MC Cabinet Co. again built out this huge, beautiful riffs on white oak vanity. Marcus Alexander from A-Team Renovations did a phenomenal job on getting this project over the finish line. Thank you so much for joining me today for our Lakewood Hills client and discussing the design process for both their kitchen and primary bathroom. I can't wait to share some upcoming and future projects that we have going on, and we'll see you soon.